Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this Michael's haul that I have. I bought these two different flowers. Now, I shared the Dollarama haul there the other day, and I mentioned I was going to do some altering some frames. I had some requests for people asking me to create some for them, and these were the colors they chose. Now, my daughter chose white and gray, and these aren't quite white, but they'll do, but they have some other gray ones in there. So you get 24 pieces, and I really love the ones with the writing on it. And then her friend requested pink, so I'm going to do it with that color there. It's not quite the pink that I was looking for, but it will do. And so I bought these white little rose ones, paper flowers as well, to add to that with the ones with the writing. So I thought that would be great. So I bought those. And then I also mentioned in that haul, my daughter had some glass containers that she wanted me to alter up for her. And this is a part of the bottle. And this was only $1.99 at Michael's. So I'm looking forward to seeing if I can get a few more of those to do what she's looking for. So I bought that. And the rest of the items are clearance items. So the first one were these cards and envelopes, and they have a heart and the polka dot, the gold. I thought they were just beautiful. And you can see on here, you get the thank you, the cheers to you. You'll get the gold heart, yay, and then just some different colors with pink, blue, and gray. And then you have this color here with this, like the silver gray type with the gold polka dots. Absolutely beautiful. So these were only $4.97, and you get 60 sets, and I could add to them, alter them, add some stuff, you know, for anything. So I thought those were great. The other things I bought were Martha Stewart items, and of course Michael's has all their Martha Stewart stuff on clearance. So I bought this, was only like $3.47, and it is clear glue. I'm not sure how it'll work, but I thought I would give it a try since it was on clearance. But yep, so I'll let you know how that goes. And then the last thing that I bought were two pieces here. I bought these craftable embellishments, and they are sticker-like. Let's just open it up here and see. These were only like $1.99, so I thought, couldn't go wrong with that. And it looks like that I can change the color of the top of them, so I thought that would be really great. So I can make them my own color and maybe glitter them up or what have you. And then I bought two packages of those. They were, so this was $1.99, and these were $1.47, and I got 2 packs of that one. And so they're just the different shapes and the trim and that. So that's what I bought from Michael's. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.